Hi, and welcome to the demonstration of the 32Soft Supplier Item Data Loader. This data loader has been designed for QAD users in operations departments who want to massively manage supplier item records, such as updating prices and other supplier item attributes, in the ERP system, rather than manually managing one record at a time in QAD's 1.19 Supplier Item Maintenance menu. Use of this loader will maximize efficiency by eliminating errors and minimizing the labor effort. Let's take a look. When we open up the data loader program, we have to select the correct database first. We click the Setup button to find our database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by supplier and item. If we leave filter fields open, all records will be downloaded. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we select the Download button. As soon as we select any action button for the first time, a login screen appears. All of 32Soft's data loaders use QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. Let's log in. The data is downloaded, and we now see all records according to our search criteria. This loader displays all the data fields of 1.19 Supplier Item Maintenance from QAD. If we want to maintain data for a specific supplier, we can clear the sheet by selecting the Clear button, and then enter specific search parameters in the header. Let's enter a supplier and hit the Download button. And now the sheet displays only specific supplier item records according to our search criteria. Fields highlighted in orange are key fields. Changing the values in these fields will create new supplier item records. Gray fields are read-only fields, so the values from these columns will not be uploaded into the database. Green fields are fully writable fields. We can edit the values in these columns. For this example, let's change a few values and add 2 new supplier items. As this is an Excel spreadsheet, we have all functionalities of Excel, so we can copy and paste data, and we'll copy this line and paste it twice. Then we can just change the item number, and let's change the supplier item. Let's also edit the quote price and quantities for these new lines, and we can add a comment for all 3. Once we have reviewed our data, we hit the Upload button, and data will now upload into QAD. A pop-up screen is displayed showing the status of the upload, and it will indicate if the upload is successful or not. As with all of our data loaders, Supplier Item Loader performs data validation against QAD and uploads data only if there are no errors detected. If errors are detected, data loaders will return an error message indicating inaccurate data was detected, as we see here. Let's close the status window and use the Find Error button to locate the next error in the file. This is especially useful, of course, when there are many records than we have here. Any cell containing an error will be highlighted in red, and placing the cursor over the cell will display the reason for the error. In this case, item number does not exist. We must correct all errors before we submit the data again. Let's find the next error and fix it. And let's see if there are any other errors. No, only these 2 which we have fixed. So let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful. We can close the status window, and to verify that the information was uploaded properly, we can try the download again. And we see that all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. Another terrific function of this loader is to quickly update only the quote price and quote date. We can update these 2 fields, and all the others will be ignored during the upload. We'll make some updates to price and date, And let's just see what happens if we edit quantity as well. Now we simply hit the Update Price and Date button. We can select the download again to verify that the information was uploaded correctly into QAD. And as we see, price and date were updated properly, and quote quantities remained the same as they were prior to our edits, as they should have. As demonstrated, this tool enables you to manage supplier items massively and from a convenient, easy-to-use spreadsheet. 32Soft's Supplier Item Loader will increase productivity, eliminate errors, and contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars. www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for taking the time to view this demonstration.